Hello everyone, this is another week of the major literary works in English literature series, and today I have picked up the play written by Oscar Wilde entitled The Importance of Being Earnest. Oscar Wilde's famous witty comedy, The Importance of Being Earnest, is a fine example of the comedy of manners. This play is the most heady and scintillatingly witty theatrical triviality between Congreve's The Way of the World, Sheridan's The School for Scandal, and the popular light comedies of Somerset Maugham and Noel Coward. The plot of this play turns on nothing more important than a plan built on the misunderstanding arising over the name Ernest and the earnestness of Victorian smugness, hypocrisy, and priggishness. Nicole says the importance of being earnest is a delightfully fantastic paradox of a plot enlivened by brilliant dialogue. James Lever says that Wilde returned to London for the first night of The Importance of Being Earnest. It is universally considered to be the best of his plays. The three earlier ones had been artificial. However, this soared beyond artificiality into the realms of fantasy. Yet by a paradox, it is more naturalistic than the earlier comedies. There are no set speeches, no asides, no strong scenes, no curtains. Once we have accepted the baby deposited in a handbag in the left luggage office at Victoria Station, the ensuing complications follow one another with almost mathematical precision. And the character of Lady Bracknell is a real creation. So might such a late Victorian grand dame have moved and spoken. The wit is not merely attached to the characters, it flows out of the situations. The whole thing is as light as air and is still as fresh and amusing now as when it was first written. The public, on its first production, hailed it with delight, and this time even the critics were unanimous in its praise. I hope this podcast on the interesting play, The Importance of Being Earnest, proves to be of help in understanding the play better. And if you have not read this play, it is my humble request to go and read this play today. Thank you for your valuable time. See you next week with another major literary work in English literature. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, and have a great day ahead.